Hey, welcome back to the Handlebar Garden.
How's it going?
Today, we're going to install some lights.
Yep.
I'm going to put the front turn signals in.
Yep.
These are Pro Beam from Custom Dynamics.
Killer lights. They ought to look good on there.
I hope so.
Get ready for that.
Stay tuned. This is Mike and Tony here.
Hey, if you like these videos, give us a thumbs up if you would.
And be sure to subscribe. Leave us a comment. Hit your notification bell. And if you would, we've got a Facebook group.
Yeah.
Go over to Facebook and join Handlebar Garden. Alright, I'm going to show you what they look like now. This is from the factory.
Yeah, turn signal up here.
Alright, now to change it, you got this little notch on it here. I'm going to use a dime. You can use a screwdriver, a knife, a dime, a penny, just wherever you get to fit in there. If you got long enough fingernails, maybe you can get in there with that and pop it off.
Man, it'd be tough fingernails. That's what I'm talking about.
But just real easy, comes off. I don't know if you can see or not, but that's the notch.
Yep.
When you take your bulb out, you've got these two little nipples here. Remember, the short side was toward me, so when I put the new one in, I need to put it back the same way. And this is the Custom Dynamic one. Here's the housing. It's basically the same housing, but this one they've put a little rubber O-ring on it. And they provided a notch to make it a little easier if you got clumsy fingers.
Sweet.
And just twirl it a little bit. Roll the cord up. And then it's got the little notch on it too, so I'll turn it to the outside. That way if I ever get back into it, it'll make it easier on me. It's a nice snug fit. Alright.
That one there looks good.
In just a second, we'll show you what they look like with both. Okay, now here's what it looks like with both of them.
Oh, that looks a lot better.
This is
Turn signal. That's cool. Yeah, it looks a lot better. And they're bright too.
yeah.
Very bright. Awesome sauce.
Yep. Alright, I hope this helped you out. Appreciate you watching. Be sure to subscribe. Give us a thumbs up. Hit the notification bell. And if you would, we've got a Facebook group. Go over there, check that out.
Be sure to be good to one another. Keep it
Torque to spec.